People are earning millions from the stock market, but many people also lose money. What actually is the stock market? What is a share? Why do people give money to companies? If you are a beginner and want to understand the stock market from zero, then watch this video till the end. Today, I will explain the complete basic concept of the stock market with simple examples. First, let's understand what the stock market actually is. The stock market is a system where companies sell a portion of their ownership to people. This is called a share. When you buy a company's share, you become a small owner of that company. Let's understand with a simple example. If a company's business grows, the company earns profit. Share price increases, investors earn profit. That means company grows, your money grows.
Now the question is, why do companies need money? For example, suppose someone has a small business. They want to expand their business but don't have enough money. So they take investment from people and give them a percentage of ownership. Similarly, companies raise money from the public to grow their business. In this process, the company gets funding. Investors get ownership. When a company raises money from the public for the first time, this process is called an IPO, Initial Public Offering. After an IPO, the company gets listed on the stock market. After that, anyone can buy or sell its shares. Now the question is, where are shares bought and sold? For this, there is a stock exchange. The stock exchange connects buyers and sellers. Here, share prices depend on demand and supply. More buyers, price goes up. More sellers, price goes down. Main reasons why share prices change: company profit or loss, company growth, market news, investor sentiment, demand and supply. If a company performs strongly, share price increases. There are two main ways to earn money from the stock market. One, investing, long term. Buy shares and hold them for a long time. Over time, the price increases, profit. Two, trading, short term. Buy and sell in a short time to make profit. This involves higher risk.
There are different types of trading. Intraday trading, buy and sell on the same day. Swing trading, hold for a few days. Long-term investing, hold for years. For beginners, long-term investing is considered safer. To buy shares, you need a demat and trading account. Your shares are stored in digital form in this account. आज आपने स्टॉक मार्केट का कंप्लीट बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट समझा। अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो लाइक ज़रूर करें और बिगिनर इन्वेस्टिंग गाइड के लिए चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं प्रैक्टिकल स्टेप्स भी शेयर करूंगा।